bluish sky, twinkling stars, chirping birds, pure white water, free animals, pure air and waving trees. But had anyone ever thought that in today's time we can get to see such a day? No, nah? Nobody would have thought of it. And why would they? When we ourselves are exploiting nature and natural resources, how can we think of the pure and natural environment? Because such an environment is not possible with this level of exploitation. However, today it has become possible. The reason is the lockdown in entire country, the shutdown of factories and industries. Yes, we believe that all these has become possible because of the increased impact of a fatal pandemic, the coronavirus infection in the country, that many people are suffering from this and many of them are pestered with the lockdown. But if you look at some positive points in these adverse conditions also, you realize that our nature and our natural assets are being immensely benefited. Air has become so pure now that the mountains of the Himalaya can be clearly seen from Jalandhar of Punjab. This distance is about 140 kilometers and the mountains which had become invisible because of smoke are now candidly seen. Not only India, but many countries all over the world have been in lockdown today. That's why such a situation prevails at many places. Many of such kind of amazing videos from nooks and corners all over the world are coming to the fore. You may have noticed that in the night hours, the stars in the sky can be seen easily. These are the same stars, the twinkling of which had tapered during last many years because of smoke and pollution. If you have not watched this spectacle, then please go to the terrace or roof tonight only and see how beautiful the sky looks. NO2 means nitrogen dioxide in the atmosphere has reduced sharply. If you compare it with last year, you find that the level of pollution in Mumbai, New Delhi, Bengaluru and Chennai, everywhere, the level of pollution has reduced to a great extent. That is the reason as to why the blue and free sky can be seen with open eyes. If you talk about the animals and birds, they are wandering freely because human beings are inside the cage in a way. They are flying in the sky higher and higher. The more threatening this pandemic is to the human beings, the better it is for nature. During this lockdown, some visuals have come to the fore which you may never have seen before. This video belongs to Nepal, where a rhino was seen walking on the empty street. You can see how comfortably this rhino is wandering in the human habitats without any fear. It is moving on the street in such a manner as if it was expecting whether everybody is following the lockdown rules or not. It is also noticeable in the video that those who are not following the lockdown rules are being intimidated by this rhino. At the same time, if you talk about the capital of our country, New Delhi, the commotion of the daily traffic is so high that the chirping of the innocent birds gets drowned totally. The traffic being halted because of the lockdown makes it possible to hear the sweet sound of these birds. Many such birds which don't inhabit in human habitats can be seen frequenting on streets or flying near our houses, sometimes through windows. Apart from this, 3 Rusa unicolors called sambars were noticed wandering on the street in night time in a society of Uttarakhand. This visual was captured by people in cameras too. You may have seen a nilgai only in a jungle safari or a zoo, but it is for the first time that we are showing you this video of a nilgai wandering on streets. This video is from Noida, where some policemen found this nilgai wandering on road. This is no less than a miracle. That's why the policemen captured this visual in their cameras immediately. In this viral video, you can very well see how the nilgai is running about after watching the human beings. The next video that you are watching is that of a species of a cat, which is on the verge of extinction. This is a Malabar civet, that is musk tomcat. Sushant Nanda, an Indian forest executive, wrote while sharing this video on his Twitter account that this creature is in extreme danger. Only 250 adult civets are alive. They have not been seen since 1990. These animals can be found wandering freely in current environment in many videos. However, there are a few birds and animals which are completely dependent on humans such as dogs, monkeys, pigeons, etc. They are deprived of food, and in the absence of humans, they have to wander here and there in search of food. Amidst all this, it's good that water of rivers is getting purified day by day because factories and industries are shut. The water, in which nothing was visible apart from dust, soil, and trash, has become clean enough to see fishes and other creatures swimming in it. People have stopped taking baths, washing clothes near river banks, thus making the banks of rivers clean automatically. Tons of waste from restaurants, bars, hotels, and lodges, which was disposed of into rivers or nearby, is now wiped out. The river banks, which used to stink, now give the fragrance of soil and water mixing together, called petrichor. The major effect of lockdown can be seen on the Yamuna river. Crores of rupees were being spent to clean it, and the lockdown has made it possible in a few days. Having experienced this, it seems nature has come up with a new remedy to heal itself. China is known to be the biggest industrial hub. China produces more than 900 crore tons of carbon dioxide every year, which is the most in the world. Talking about India, the pollution level of Delhi is always between 150 and 160. But after lockdown, the level has become down to 70 to 80. You would be surprised to know that more than 45 lakh people in the world died due to pollution. The ozone layer, which protects us from the ultraviolet layers of the sun, was getting destroyed due to the poisonous attacks of humans. But the statistics of 2020 show that the hole in the ozone layer seems to be recovering. The reason is obvious: reduction in the emission of poisonous gases. If we talk at these positive effects, we feel that apart from losses, lockdown has positive impact as well. Now it is necessary to maintain this pure environment. So friends, how did you like this video? Do tell us by commenting on it. If you also have seen any positive changes nearby you, do tell us by commenting. We will meet again in another video with something new. Till then, allow Neha Agarkar to take your leave. Take care. Namaskar.